Hello there. This is another one of the activities in the magical magnets box. First of all, you'll need to make sure that you've got 4 of your ring magnets. Remember, magnets can be quite dangerous, so you have to be careful when you're putting them together. And when you're taking them apart, it's easier to slide than try and pull like this. So you've got your 4 magnets, you need to take those, put those away. And you will have 3 pieces of wood. One will be an upright piece like this, one will be a horizontal piece like this, and 2 little blocks which will serve as your glue joint. Here and here, like this. Okay. Now, before we start, I just want to show you the difference between the 2 sides of wood. This is called face grain, and this is called end grain. And when you glue things together, face grain is a much stronger joint. So when you're putting these together, make sure the glue is going here and here, or here and here, so that it sticks nice and hard. Because the forces are going to be acting this way, and therefore you need a nice strong joint. So, just like we did with the other one, we're going to put some glue here and here, and then we're going to rub and do it here and here. So I'm going to put one block here, corner to corner, edge to edge, and this way I'm going to put one here, corner to corner, edge to edge. And we're going to leave those to dry while we investigate the ring magnets. So I'm going to put this out of the way. And remember, in a heated house, it takes about 30 minutes for it to dry. So what we're going to look at now is these magnets. And this experiment is all about levitation, like we've discussed before. And with levitation, we need to make sure that our poles are repelling, not attracting. Repelling. Okay, so I'm going to push them together like that, and I know that these 2 poles are like poles. I'm just putting a little pencil line. It's probably a bit difficult to see, but it's there. In real life you'll be able to see it. If you can't, the best thing to do is use just a coloured pen and make that obvious for yourself. So let me just do that again. Again, unlike light poles repel. So I'm going to put a mark there and a mark there. And the reason I'm doing that is so when we come to doing the levitation experiment, we know exactly where everything is going. So I'm going to put this to one side, bring this back, and I'm going to put it so that there is a little glue joint here, a little drop of glue there, and a little drop of glue here. About equidistant from the end, and I'm going to put it so the pencil mark is up. So again, I'm going to put it so that the pencil mark is pointing upwards. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. Pencil mark is up, pencil markers this way, so when I put it in the glue into the joint, it will go up like this. So a little dab of glue there, and a little dab of glue there. So again, I'm going to take pencil line is there, need to just check it to make sure, and put it over here. So I'm going to put it out of the way again. Now the next bit we're going to do is take out 2 other magnets. So we'll have 6 magnets in total, like this. And we're going to do the same thing again. So those are like poles. I'm going to turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. And now it's unlike poles. Okay, like this. Then I'm going to take my pencil, which will also be in your kit. And what I'm going to do is tear off a piece of masking tape like that and check approximately where my magnet's going to go. Leave my finger there, and I'm going to wrap my masking tape around it. So I'm afraid in the video this little bit of measuring went out of shot, so I'm just doing it again so that you can see it. We're making the diameter of the pencil thicker. Just so that the magnet fits so snugly. On the pencil. So now I'm going to take a bit more masking tape, and this time, this time I'm seeing approximately where the magnet should go, and then doing the same thing. So let's make sure that's in shot. Yeah. So the magnet needs to go approximately here. So that's where I'm putting my tape. Too loose. Still a bit loose. it's nice and snug now. So you go. I would leave this to dry for the full 30 minutes before I try this. And what happens? Oops. I'm showing you a sideways view now, and you can see it's levitating perfectly well. So well that if you're careful, oops, you can spin it.